Lower your blood sugar level with these herbs and spices. Herbs and spices have a long history of use in food and beneficial effects on one's health. Studies have shown that herbs and spices, because of their high antioxidant phenol content, can help inflammation and damage to tissues caused by high levels of blood sugar. Being familiar with your body is the key to successfully treat diabetes. If you add spices and herbs that can help lower blood sugar levels, you need to monitor your blood sugar levels more than usual. These are some herbs and spices you can include in your diet. Ginseng. Ginseng lowers blood glucose by increasing insulin output, and keeping insulin-producing cells alive and thriving by limiting the tricarboxylic acid cycle. It also causes a healing effect to the lining of the arteries in the body, helping in the prevention of heart attacks. Garlic. The action of garlic may be mild, but it does help to lower blood sugar, glucose, triglycerides, and cholesterol. Garlic contains allicin, a sulfide compound that helps lower blood sugar, glucose, and helps insulin to be used effectively. It can be added to different types of meat and vegetable recipes and add flavor to sauces and soups. Turmeric is considered to be a key ingredient in curry powder, which is responsible for its golden hue. It also contains several active compounds, including curcumin, and is known to be a potent anti-inflammatory. Bench research showed that turmeric reduces many of the inflammatory signals known to be overactive in diabetes and improves the action of disrupted insulin response pathways in diabetes. Cinnamon. Studies have shown that cinnamon can increase glucose metabolism by at least 20%. This is because cinnamon is rich in powerful polyphenols that prevent cancer, strokes, and cardiovascular disease. Fenugreek. Fenugreek contains an amino acid, 4-hydroxyisoleucine, that helps the insulin-producing cells of the pancreas to produce more insulin to lower blood sugar. It also helps lower cholesterol, protects the liver from alcohol damage, and detoxes the liver too. Ginger. Ginger has demonstrated promising results in its ability to reduce oxidation, improve insulin sensitivity, and improve cholesterol. It has been used as a staple ingredient in Asian cuisines for years. It is also known for its action as an anti-inflammatory, digestive, and anti-nausea medicine. Remember to talk with your doctor or healthcare provider before using any medicinal herbs and spices.